Good morning, Cherokee. Cherokee, say hi to Mama. Say hi to Mama. Cherokee, eat the kibble? Eat the kibble, baby? Oh, kibble, nene. Cherokee, say hi to Mama. Say hi, Mama. Baby, eat the kibble. Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa. Hey, Paduga! Cherokee, is it kibble? You like roast beef, huh? You like Papa's lunch. Mama bought it for Papa. And for you, Papa. Yeah, baby. Say thank you, Mama, for the kibble. Lily. Eat the kibble, baby. Papa's gonna pack his lunch. Cherokee, you like roast beef? And so don't I. Say hi to everybody in Brazil. Say hi, Jenny B. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Virginia. Say hi, everybody. Cherokee likes fresh from the deli. Roast beef. He's good with that. Right? Right, Cherokee? And Papa likes peanut butter and jelly. I was gonna put it away, and then I didn't even put it on yet. Oh my goodness. What do I do now? I'm in trouble. Cherokee, want some more roast beef? Huh? You want water now? You want water? Huh? You want water, buddy? That's your green? Come on. That's your water. Bye, baby. Love you. 8 o'clock in the morning, see? Laugh, live, love, ever.